I got this Keebar warm mist humidifier. Not a cool mist, warm mist humidifier. Before I get started, I just want to show you how they ship this thing. Completely packed in styrofoam, and this thing's completely wrapped in plastic, like hermetically sealed almost. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but let's open this up and take a look and see what we get in here. First of all, we have a 3-foot long cable on here. And they have sent us a set of instructions that shows you how to work it, how to clean it, how to troubleshoot it. Typical things you get with a set of instructions. Nice, big, easy to read set here. We have a remote control that comes with this. It has 4 different features on it. It has your on-off, your mist level, which is levels 1, 2, and 3. This humidifier features a timer, and it also has a sleep mode on here where you can turn off the display on it. And this remote runs on a CR2025 battery, which is a really common battery that you can find at any drugstore or online superstore. And it comes with a cleaning brush. So this unit is 8 inches by 10 inches. Small and compact, square. I like that. Lid just comes off the top here. Here's the basin you fill up. Pretty easy. You can either use a pitcher, fill it up, stick this under the sink, fill it up, set it back in there one-handed. Looking inside of here is the steam spout, which is removable. There is a float mechanism right there. And when the float gets low, the unit will put itself into standby mode. And when you put the water back into the unit and it senses the water level rise, it'll start running again. A cool safety feature. Also inside of the unit, down underneath of the spout, is the heating portion of this. This is a warm mist humidifier, not a cool mist humidifier, so it's not going to spout out the same amount of mist that you normally see in a cool mist humidifier, because this heats it up and evaporates it and creates a warm mist. Just filling this up in the bathroom sink. Fits right in the basin, no problem at all. We'll fill this up, give it a little test run, see how it works. All right, so fill it up in the sink. One thing to point out is this little knob on the end here. This does not sit flat down on here, which is not a big deal because even if it was full, I don't think it would be spilling anything out. Water ejects out from under this hole right here, so don't press this button and water will come out because that's how the water enters the unit. So cool thing, this thing has a handle on it for carrying it after you fill it up, and there is a max level written right here on the side, seeing how much to fill it up. This unit will only fit in here one way, so you just set it in here, put the lid on, put the hole over the spout, sets right in there, and we're good to go. I'm using the remote control, by the way. When you plug this in and turn this on for the first time, it automatically defaults to the 3rd setting. 3 is the high power, 2 is medium power, and 1 is low power. So it automatically defaults to the 3rd power. Since this is a warm mist humidifier, not a cool mist humidifier, it takes a few minutes for the water to heat up before it'll start kicking out the mist. And I can hear the heater working on here right now, but otherwise it's pretty quiet. So to go over a couple other things, this tank will hold 4 liters or 1 gallon of water. And it will work up to 40 hours on its lowest setting with a full tank of water in here. You press the sleep mode button either on the display or on the remote, it turns the display off so that it's not bright while you're sleeping. Sleep mode. Makes sense? According to the literature, this will kick out enough mist to work in a large or medium-sized room. And it also has a timer feature on here. You can either use it on the remote control or on the front dial, where you can set it to time out after 2, 4, or 8 hours. As with any humidifier, you want to make sure you clean this out once a week, once every 2 weeks. Just wipe it out with a wet cloth and you should be good to go. There's some heat coming out of here. It's definitely working. And I can see the mist. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video or not, but it's definitely coming out. It's not a lot of mist like you would get with a cool mist humidifier, because that's not the point behind this. This is a warm mist humidifier, so it heats the water up and kicks out a warm mist, and it is warm. I can feel it, nice and warm. According to the literature, this may help with dry skin, dry nasal passages, all that kind of stuff that's associated with allergies in the fall and the winter. So if you're looking for a warm mist humidifier, not a cool mist humidifier, a warm mist humidifier that will run for up to 40 hours on the lowest speed, has a timer on it, 3 mist levels, and a sleep mode feature, check this one out by Keebar. Check it out.